In this video, I'll show you how to set a stop limit order on Binance. A stop limit order is an order type that uses two prices, a stop price and a limit price. The stop price is the price that triggers the order, and the limit price is the price you want Binance to use when placing the actual buy or sell order. Binance explains that once the stop price is reached, the system places a limit order at the limit price you entered. Once you're logged in, go to the Trade section and choose Spot. This opens the spot trading interface, where you can select a trading pair and place different types of orders. Next, choose the trading pair you want to trade. For example, if you want to trade Bitcoin against USDT, open BTC to USDT. Once the trading screen loads, look for the Order Entry panel, where you normally place buy and sell orders. In the Order panel, choose Stop Limit as the order type. Binance will then show you the fields you need to complete for this order. You'll usually need to enter three main details. First is the stop price. This is the trigger price that activates the order. Second is the limit price. This is the price of the limit order Binance will place after the stop price is triggered. Third is the amount, which is how much of the asset you want to buy or sell. For example, if you're placing a stop limit sell order to protect a position, you might set a stop price that triggers when the market drops to a certain level, and then set the limit price at the price where you want the sell order placed. If you're placing a stop limit buy order, you'd do the same thing in the buy section using your chosen trigger and limit prices. After entering the stop price, limit price, and amount, review the order carefully. Make sure the trading pair is correct, the order type is set to stop limit, and the numbers you entered are exactly what you want. Then click Buy or Sell to place the order. Once submitted, the order will usually appear in your Open Orders section. It will stay inactive until the stop price is reached. When that happens, Binance will place the limit order using the limit price you set. After that, the order will only fill if the market can execute at that limit price or better. So the process is simple. Open Binance, go to Spot Trading, choose your trading pair, select Stop Limit, enter the stop price, limit price, and amount, then submit the order. And that's how to set a stop limit order on Binance.